Yes, we did it. All right. The beginning of a journey. And I just have to set a timer and notify some friends, right? All right, good. Suna, you absolute gooner. What did I do? Wait. Can you please move? Thank you. What a warm welcome. Let's go. What are you gooning today, Joe Snowy? Oh wait, let me try to upload something real quick. The first video, great. Oh, it's loud. Yeah, I think that's not bad, Snowy, right? Is that okay? Select files, alright. Java.mp4. It actually selected it, okay. Yeah, let's go, okay. Title required. Or can... Much Java can I learn in 1 hour? Description. I have no... Wait, is this the actual right one? 1 minute and 1 second. Alright, it's the right one. It wants you to come to a stream. Oh, it's... Wait, Acer live? Or what? It's no... Oh my god. You start stream 300 times a day? At least. It will only get worse, okay? You know, I will probably go live 60 times a day. I wouldn't be surprised, at least. Anyways. How much Java can I learn in 1 hour? To me and Daniel. There we go. That's it. It's not made for kids. Yeah, I think that's all we need to. Screw it. Whatever. Video elements. Add a quiz. No. No issues! Yes! Public. Sure. Whatever. I made a video now. What's a good video? A good redeem to redeem? I would say the milksip redeem. Anyways. Let's clock. Yes. We're gonna set it to 1 hour. That's how long I will have here. 1 hour. Save. It starts now. All right, good. We'll dive right in. I need to figure out where exactly, or what is my strategy. I'm gonna try to at first just do what I looked at in the beginning. Some the quizzes from ChatGPT. I think an essential thing to do is to find out what a method is, but we'll see. Do I just make a new, yeah, wait, I make a new file. New file. My java.java. And public class my java. And now I made a public class, but what does public mean? And I can make an enum, a record abstract, and what? I can make a class inside a class. What? Wait, where? Wait, if I... Oh, interesting. So if I press tab a bunch of times, that's what's gonna happen. Is this valid Java? It looks like it. Oh, it did work. What? Oh my god. And wait. Okay, no, it was a stupid redeem. I don't have anything to hydrate with, Snowy. Can I hydrate with my IQ? You don't have IQ though. Okay, so I cannot hydrate on two things. Void main, and then can I... Okay, wait, I can define a second class. Public void. It's not void, I would say public static int. Yeah, sure. Int add, and then int... Why is that wrong? It's not wrong. Is it just because it's unused? And now, can I call this? I wanna... Okay, I have int number equals 5. Can I just enter? And now I... Can I... int, let's say, action equals 10. Yeah, sure. And now addition number action. Wait, why is it so weird? Oh, because the thing is here already. Oh, it works. I got the new you got a new pet? What pet did you get? Huh? Okay, wait, is Sainaki winning, by the way? Is Sainaki even live? I know that Fate is live. But I don't know if he went live by now. He didn't! Why? Did someone tell? Okay, wait, I'm gonna go to Fate. Wait. No, he went offline too! Why did he go offline? Can you tell Cyan to go online? It's offline, anyways. Oh no, Fate offline. Wait, why are you no? Go online, Cyan. If you want to. Glad you're here. Wait, did you say hi yet? Or am I crazy? I don't think... So you were here, but you just didn't say anything. As rare. Are you still queuing? Okay, I have addition. Do I have to like... Oh, I have to wait. I have to give this a name. Oh, I have to define this way? That's so stupid. How does it even know what I want to do? Go check Discord. Oh, what's on my Discord? I mean, I've missed a lot. Anyways, I don't see it. Oh, the image. In general, I was sleeping. Me too. Me too. Today until okay. So not Ankh for long. Let's see if this works. There should be. What I expect right now is just a number 15. If it's not just 15, I pinged you. Well, pings don't work for me. I have everything muted. Why did you even ping me? Cats? Oh! Oh man, how cute. That's awesome. That's a cat that doesn't know of Java yet. Alright, 15. And now let's say I make public ecstatic in bool is even. Is oh no, wait, I can make it int. I can make one an int. Int a bool b. See? So one is an int, the other is a boolean. I wonder, like, it should not work. No, wait, this will return 15. Oh wait, this is so peak. This is so peak. Okay, I'm starting to get this. So if I want to create let's just say return if a I think it's just gonna be if A is if C is true, okay, so wait, can I if C is equals to 0. Wait, is equals the address? Is that is why is it so weirdly formatted? Why can't I just press enter? I have to press tab again. That's so weird. You ate your enter? Quite possibly. I'm just not sure what this is, you know? It's a bit strange. Reached end of file while parsing. Like, it gives me a report right while I look at this. It's a bit strange. But what I'm trying to do is like overloading. And I'm just trying to make a stupid function to even try this. So let's say my bool int whatever true equals, or my function true is, no, my bool I'm calling my boolean bool, and I set this to true, and now I press tab. Yes, tab was the thing. Good. Wait, why is it not happy? Boolean. Oh, Java is weird. How do I call the thing again? Okay, I moved this down because this is not a number. Just trying to keep it clean a little bit.
Was ist Teilstring?
Yeah. What? Another one and another one. There we go. Oh no, wait, what did it do? I'm just trying to copy the thing again. What on earth? Oh yeah, this is, I remember now, this was the number calculation, so it makes sense again. And I can... And then I have, for the next function, I have to define... I first need to even know what this thing does. If C equals... Wait, can I make a multiple step check? How do I do that in ChatGPT? I want... Oh, I can make an AND operator. If C equals true and... What is the AND operator? Where is it? I don't even know where it is on my keyboard. If C is true and, say, integer A is even, I'm gonna return true. Else, I will return false. But there should be a neater way to do this. How do I write this smart? If the boolean true, false, it's x. As possible, if it's true, then check if int is even, if yes. Return true. What's the best way of doing this? Let's see, let's see. Oh, oh, that's not bad. Okay. Static Boolean addition. Am I doing... I'm gonna call it result as well. To confuse addition number bool. Is it angry because I didn't call it result too? Except tab, control and right arrow. What do you mean? Return false. If not C, return false. Can this return what if the result is not a boolean? Suffix is live. Ooh, okay, yeah, good point. Was it dream? Dream. It was dream something. What did Safi change to? Do you have this? No, I'm so sorry. I'll just execute and see what happens. Interesting. Lots of complaining, come on. But what does it say here? In thread main unresolved compilation at my Java main. It doesn't tell me anything. And now the error is gone. What? His face? But you can close it again. Ace. Oh, no, Ace. That's the F. I didn't mean to type the F. You just have to delete the F out of the function, and then that's what I mean. You got another? Yeah, I'm so sorry. Java is my one and only love. It's a forced marriage, though. This is like my official answer. I'm so sorry, Ace. No, I'm joking. My one and only queen is Sayanaki. What, your mom? No. My mom is a status not even my truest love could ever meet. Fish smile. I love fish. You mean you love tuna, or what is the fish supposed to stand for? Aw. Fish love.
There's a present in my hands with your name.
Yo, Kanye, you sure about this?
It's time for me to stop running. I need to believe what people tell me. Let all my fans know I love them. But a gay fish just can't live in the outside world forever. Don't be sad for me, guys. I'm going home!
Come on. I've been so lonely, girl. I've been so sad and down. Couldn't understand why haters joked around. I wanted to be free with other creatures like me, and now I got my wish. Cause I know that I'm a gay fish, yo. Motherfucking gay fish. I'm a fish, yo. Going on a gay fish. It's alright, girl. Making love to other gay fish. All those lonely nights at the grocery store in the frozen fish aisle, feeling like a whore. Cause I wasn't being true, even though everyone said that I had to make a switch. Gay fish, now I know that I'm a gay fish, yo. Motherfucker.
Why can't I just name the other? Action result of one, like, could I do that as well? You like fish sticks? Yeah, I love fish sticks. Why? Why wouldn't I love it? Is it happy now? Yes! Oh my god! Bull is true. Let's change that to 6. Oh, it worked! Let's mess with it a little bit. Now we will make it that, I'm not a gay fish. But I heard that, you know, if you're gay and straight at the same time, which I guess is bi, you would have like the highest success to find a partner, right? So maybe that would be the way to go for me. Who knows? What, you like fish sticks? Oh no, there's limits. Biological limits. Humanity never should go beyond that. Only if I ever were to turn into a fish. Obviously that's different. If I were to be turned in a female fish, yes, of course. But if I'm not a female fish, Okay, return. If else. How do I check? If the fish is 18, return true. What stupid ways of programming this? Oh, hello! I mean, Machine Rex, hello! Good morning. How's it going? Is there even delay or not? Machine Rex? What, are you confused by something, Ace? So you won't date a fish that is under 18? I don't know. Look, in the fish world, I don't know if in fishology there is a principle called I don't know if there... Okay, no. How do I phrase this? If there is fish law, or... No, wait, there are fish that are self-aware. So, if there are fish that are self-aware, do those fish have, like, morals? I would say so, yes. So, does their circumstance require them to have a partner that is a certain age? I would also say yes, because, like, biologically it's probably not possible before that. So, I would abide by whatever fish logic and law there would be under that universe. Anyways, how, if C is not true, return false. So what I have to do, if C, then can I do double return whatever? Do I even need that return? I don't think I need it. Why do I... That doesn't make any sense, that I returned false anyway. Now I would return... What? I know you're like... Jail. You know, law is I would generally be... I would wonder, like, do monkeys have law? And how much different... Like... Hey, it's interesting. It's interesting. Even amongst humans, there is, like, so many... Like, even if you go, like, from... Like, the most fundamental way, you know how law emerges, like, basically, like, what do we agree upon and what do we don't agree upon? That changes from group to group. So I don't even want to imagine what it is like between species and species. Because laws is basically just a written down and agreed upon group dynamic, which is enforced, and how it is enforced, everything. So how would it change between species? I don't know. What would you do if you were a fish, Ace? What would you do? Timed out. Remove time. Mod abuse.
By the seaside, I knew. Oh, I think I like you.
What did it say? Suck fish.
But I think you like me too.
Suck. Thank you, Sayanaki. Thank you for watching out. This is such a weird thing. He's so silly. Silly Ace or silly Mia? Oh my god. How are you, girl? How are you? Hope you slept well. Y-Line 25. I wish I knew. Oh my god. A small thumbtack. You know, I'm trying to basically make something very stupid. If the Boolean C right here is true, or if it's false, don't even check what's next. If it's true, check if a is over some number. And this is return false is basically the like it will auto suggest this whatever I do, you know? So the return value is confusing me. Just like even our professor said that Java is a dead language, but anyways. Can I help with something? I think this is more of a ChatGPT problem. I'm confused on how return values work. Can you have just like one return statement in a function reasonably before it like explodes? Because I have like 2 returns and it's not accepting it. So it's like, whatever. Let me see. So that little something right here. Okay, so in the next one, I want to check the int value is over some number. And well, if not, pause. Here it's a return below. Should I just have one? That it's like this is barely any English, whatever. It needs another closing curly at the end of the file. Okay, wait. Like to end the class, you mean? This one? Have you also like started with Java, a small thumbtack, or did you start with maybe C++? Oh my god. Why did it why is it deleting both? Suna? Yeah. Oh, let's see what ChatGPT said. Below, because the compiler sees a possible path where the method. I will always return a boolean, but your code is and I can reason if C is not false, then it must be true. Actually, wait, if I have something that is if I have a number that is I write Python for work, that looks awful when the function is on the same level. Yeah, that's why you confuse yourself with the curly bracket. Yes, and there's another. Can I fix this like that? Oh my god, I have to do it on every. Why does it? What? Like this thing? Why is it doing that? And wait, your freak girl, he said you're good. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was too focused. I'm happy to hear that. My god. Are you playing some Overwatch today, freak girl? You don't need the second if, by the way, since Overwatch is dead to me after Tribes. That's fair. So it's only what was it yesterday? The animal game. The animal on the what was it called though? I have Naraka Blade Point in my mind. I know it's not true. It's like the Q game. It's Wait. Boolean addition int a boolean c if return false, if c return. So this would be the clean version. I don't want to check if it's even. I want to check if it's beyond some number. But I guess return false, return a. Let's just take this and see what happens. Why does it go on the second line? Okay. Return. Wait, can I? If a is bigger than what? I don't have the bigger than, except bigger than what? 15. And let's say 100. 100. If a is bigger than 100, is that valid code? So if I make, wait, what if it's the product? So if I have 50 here and 56 in here, it should return true. What? The bool is true, so this first check fails, or it's skipped. Is it skipped? No, it checks, is it wrong? No, it's true. It jumps to this one. Is a whatever I entered bigger? And it already had, it made the calculation addition. Oh, no, wait, result. Let's put the result here. It worked! Why is addition checking for bigger than? Well, the names are intentionally confusing, I guess. It's not true. It's the second method and use tab. I'm trying to do overloading. That's why. Is this overloading? What if I were to use, instead of result or bool, if I were to use an int right here? Number. It hates me already. Like, that's what I'm trying to learn here. Like, what overloading, how much can I overload and why? Can I make a random number generator? Or like, what is the random function in Java? What is the random function? Oh, is it called? You can overload as long as the two variables if the functions are two different types. Huh. Like, can I... What I'm trying to find out is if I, at random... Okay, wait, where is that thing? I want a function that randomly that out of n code chooses one at random. Under the name I have to why? Okay, what does this do? Import Java until random. So I need something that's external. Then I have a public static void main choose random. Oh no, this is the actual function. Int values. Yeah, okay. Sounds good enough. Sounds good enough for me. Let's see. Why does it look so bad? Like for random index value at that position. Okay, so I need int dom result choose random, and I'm gonna define number action. Can I define itself? That would be funny. It's undefined. Oh, that looks just cursed. Oh my god, how beautiful. Oh. I don't want to make a screenshot. It's almost like it doesn't want me to do this. XP! Hello, thank you so much for the sub. What crimes against programming are we committing today? I'm trying to choose a random integer, and I'm defining that it can choose itself, but then it wouldn't be defined in the first place. Can you import a random Oh, but how would I let it know? A small thumb, a thumbtack. How would I like let it know like that? I want something that generates something random. Like there is no like cue, like not there's no prompt area. Like give me a random function or whatever. Maybe better so I cannot read what's on the screen without sunglasses. Using light. But I have dark mode on ChatGPT. It's not that bad, right? No tabs. Wait, guys, can we make a post to Coding Jesus? You know, Coding Jesus is basically just a guy that looks at C code or low-level programming. I'm going to send them this code. You know, what will they think? I'm not going to send them the code. I'm going to send them a screenshot. You know? I'm going to send them the screenshot in light mode. And ask, like, my code is broken. Can you help me? Oh no. I would not want to know. I'm just like, where is it? I think he just made the Coding Jesus. Where is his... The funniest robot moments. Hello? What on earth is that, bro? For loop. Oh yeah, this
How
one.
you write your for loop tells me everything I need to know about you. If this is how you write your for loop, just wrap it up. Unhireable. Next.
I could just go home. Like, I'm not even at the point of writing a for loop. That's the funny thing. I'm gonna define my own for. Why does your for not do the thing that I want to? Oh man. Anyways, I'm not gonna define okay, whatever. It's anyways. Choose random. Can I wait? Boolean. Illegal start of expression. That's a lot of errors. So it doesn't want me bool. Yeah, bool. That's technically, why doesn't it turn it into an int? Like, it's just a 1. Just turn it into a 1. It's not that big of a deal. Java is way too picky. I'm confusing myself with my own code. That's the funny thing. So I've result. Oh, because I didn't define something here. And then I'm gonna choose random result. So it has a 1 in 3 chance of being true if it even accepts this. Of course it won't. Okay, I'm trying to break the language, I guess. That's my way of learning it. If you break it, if you know how to break it, you know how to make it. Okay. Okay, so I kind of with overloading, if you, how do I say this? If you have ones with different inputs, same name, just like here. Here, int, and int bool, I think I'm getting closer to how overloading works, right? And then int bool. What if I have a variable that is of type bool, but has a random that might choose int variable, and that function that should be a bool gets. No, that's not what I'm asking. Okay, if I have a variable that is of type, no, that's okay. If I now has a function is of type int. No, it's a paradox. Okay, no, of type bool. And I put that into the an argument of int bool, then I think ChatGPT will kill me for questions like this. Then but that bool function is weird in the sense that it's of type bool, but it is capable of sending int to function anyways. Or maybe bit like a code that will only fail if you run, say it's a bool that randomly will send a bool or override itself, and under the same two out of 6 times will send an int of 6 and 7. I don't even know if that's possible. A Gemini or Claude are... Yeah, it could be. I think Claude got a big update with Mythos, but like they had to roll back on that, so they are just stuck with the... Or do they have like the dumbed down Mythos now? After it got banned on Claude? I didn't test it, so I don't know. Java is statically typed, but it has to be possible. Well, couldn't I write some weird thing that over it's Java and do it anyway? I'm back for a bit. Okay. Welcome back to today's crimes. Today I'm trying to rewrite Java because I'm not satisfied with what it does. I cannot break it, but only by leaving normal Java. Java source code? No, impossible. In the .java code, this cannot happen. Boolean weird. Is that even a function? Like, is that the name of the function? Boolean weird? I don't know why it's funnier trying to break a language than actually writing functional code. Cheating with object forces you to check. Man, it's almost like they thought of this. It's almost like they thought of errors like this. Actually hacking Java JVM, yes-ish, but not in the way you want. Yeah, there should be a way to make it. I mean, what kind of error would I even be? What kind of error would I want to happen? I think that's the other question. Full Mythos was never out since too dangerous, but they had to take the version with the more safeguards down. So they are just stuck at 4.8 now? Interesting. That could be XP. Did you get to try out Mythos or no? I think so. Okay, interesting. And also hope it's going well. I don't know. I've never used Claude. Same. Surely because I use ChatGPT for so much longer, they will give me easier access to beta features, right? Because I'm a long-term customer, reliable. Technically, it's crazy. I'm giving ChatGPT an Overwatch skin every month. Every month, I'm giving ChatGPT a skin, an Overwatch skin. That's crazy. It's crazy that I invest more in OpenAI than I do in Overwatch. I'm not even buying skins. Look, this is a bad habit, bad addiction. Like if you stop spending on essential things to save, like Overwatch is something every human needs, and I'm neglecting Overwatch. Our unit of men. That's not silly. That's important. Sayanaki measures things in Primogems. I measure them in Overwatch skins, or maybe also in barrels of oil. And thank you for the lurk, Jack. Okay, so I can't declare break out of the bool limit. How do you say that? Say I say function A is bool. I have no way within Java to make int anyway. How if I have int, if I returns bool, but the argument is some type of int that isn't one. True. And then what happens? Is it 1 aka above 1? If it's than 0.5, it's 0, and if it's above 0.5, it's true. Oh, we did 1 hour. Let's go. And if it's 0, and if it's imaginary, okay, I'll skip that, but you know what. All right. Cursed Java has an ending, I guess. Today's experiment is almost done. Inside normal Java, the function set returns Boolean. That's illegal. I like to do illegal things. As you said, does not do. Very boring, very safe. Very safe is very boring. Slightly annoying, yes. What? For your function, this is wrong. Boolean bigger than 100 int, and it takes int x as an argument, cannot return int. Well, okay, but this one, how or when does Java check this? Like, is it checking at the return step? Like when, but what if it compiles and whatever say you put value at the point after? I was like, and it no there. I think that's like coded somewhere. Like in the sense like your method promises return Boolean. Return expression is x. X is type int. Int is not Boolean. Are there errors that are known that have ways such that this type fails? Okay. And making like, is Java completely free of those type of problems? That's like my question. Or the wall is actually made of steel? Question answer is the wall is steel. Below Java and JVM bytecode tricks, there are some cursed edge cases. In normal Java source code, basically no. Java will not accidentally confuse int and boolean. Java always asks, has no built-in. For normal Java code, no, but at lower levels, there are caveats. This is int-like storage for booleans internally. Deep inside the JVM, boolean are often handled using integer-like slots, so a bytecode level, booleans are not purely separate, and Java source code, as Java source code makes them look. But the Java compiler and bytecode verifier normally enforces correctness. That will make sense. But if I was in, okay, so say I have cheat engine on and have a loop running that checks if something is true, and I go to the that true value and change it to an int. It is already compiled. So no to what happens? This is a smarter question. This is way better. Okay, so inside Java, I cannot make it. If it's already compiled and I change it in cheat engine, that would work. But it cannot usually change. But I can change any bit in memory. And whatever. Yeah, I mean, like, I change the value at where the program expects or was there, but there isn't there. There are 100. One have it as is this true? Okay. Then you have created an invalid Java Boolean state. What? Is that a safeguard? Like a real one? That would be actually be smart. There could happen bit flips like from cosmical radiation. invalid bytecode. What would be examples for that? And if change that just to 100, would that be created without having be present in the program? Are there ways in custom way, or will it be fixed in hard way before? Or can apply or process. I don't know how that works. Yes, okay. I think that was the last question. It's time for... Wait, is Sayanaki online? Okay, we'll rate Muna. Well, we did it. It's compiled in a Java class. Did I forget something? Release the source code. I can release whatever this is. It's a bit illegal though. Oh no, that's not the full message. I think it got public static and yeah, it got cut off somewhere. You cannot make infinitely long messages, no. But yeah, Dread, have a wonderful time. I guess I already have to leave. Bye. Say hi to Muna, okay? She's amazing. She's having some fun with friends in the new game. TikTok game. Arguably, I don't know if you've seen it. But yeah, have a wonderful time. See you soon. I'll be back in 2 hours. I'll see. Anyways, bye-bye. And a small thumbtack. So also thank you for being here. Enjoyed it. Bye-bye.
It's gonna notice. Stream. Welcome in, Raiders. I'm playing this game for the first time. I literally had no time to get ready before the game already started. I was not even ready, as you guys can see. I don't even know basically anything about the game. I only seen a little bit about it. Oh my goodness. But it is fun, I guess. It's just, I don't know, I'm just a little bit confused here. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Yeah, I'm confused. I'm very confused. But once again, thank you so much for the rain soon. How are you doing? How was your stream? Were you guys doing some Overwatch today? I was thinking about maybe doing Overwatch later, but I am going to play this game for the first time today. And if you guys want to join, I play this game with viewers as well. just like I do with Overwatch normally. I play this game with viewers as well.
Alright.
But also good to see everyone. Thank